This is your space to soften. Please slowly breathe. Your space is to receive. Take a slow, deep breath. The need to I soften now. I allow myself to rest deeply. I am safe in my body. I am safe in stillness. I am open to receiving love gently. I am open to receiving care. I am open to receiving support. I no longer close my heart from fear. Love is safe for me. Receiving is safe for me. I do not have to overgive to be worthy. I do not have to earn rest. I am open to receiving abundance. I am open to receiving joy. I am open to receiving beautiful experiences. I release the belief that life must be difficult. I released the belief that I must struggle to deserve prosperity. That what is meant for me arrive gently. I trust that life can feel nourishing. I trust that I am abundant as a greater than fear. Exactly as I am. I do not need to become someone else to deserve love. I do not need to perform to deserve rest. I honor my sensitivity. Honor my emotions. I honor my softness. My softness is sacred. My presence is enough. to rest. I am safe to pour the adla. I am supported by life. Receive with ease. Trust the feminine flow of life. And let myself be held. I am safe to receive. I am safe to rest. I am safe to soften. I am worthy of love. I am supported by life. I receive with ease. I trust the feminine flow of life. I let myself be held. Rest deeply tonight, beloved. Let your body soften into peace. Let your soul remember you were meant to carry everything alone. Life is allowed to support you. Love is allowed to